Hello, Nathan Bradford here with the Wolcott team at Remax Escarpment here in Burlington, Ontario. This is your monthly market update for the month of October 2015. This month, there's been a few things that I kind of thought were interesting, but overall, the market increased by 17% in units. So this month, this year, there's a total of 303 unit sales as opposed to 260 unit sales last year, same period, which is a growth of 43 units or 17%. But the big thing is the average price. In Burlington for October, it stayed at a 7% average price for condos and detached houses. So the average purchase price for October 2015 was $568,000. But when I was looking through that, I found some interesting things. So first off, the highest percent increase for unit sales was Area 34 for us. So Area 34 for us is north of the QEW, between Branch Street and Guelph Line. So that's Brant Hills, Mountainside, Tyendega, Upper Tyendega. Those sort of areas had a pretty good increase in the number of unit sales. They went up almost by 50%, so 47% increase, which is huge in the number of units. But what I really found interesting was the average price increase in area, and that actually happened in Area 30, which is Aldershot. So Aldershot area, and it comes to King Road. So King Road and west in Burlington has saw the highest average price increase. Price increase was 65% in that area, which is amazing. I couldn't believe the number when I saw that, so I wanted to dig a little bit deeper, and this is what I found. So first off, the lowest per sale price was $177,500. So that came in a condominium, apartment condo down there, and the highest price was $3,250,000. So that's quite a range. So I wanted to break it down a little bit more for you to get a bit of understanding what's going on there. So first off, sales over $1 million, there was 6 units. So 6 of 29 units were greater than $1 million. Between $550,000 and $1 million was 15 units, and less than $550,000 was 8 units. So the biggest range, or the largest quantity, was in that 550 to $1 million range. So I wanted to break that down just a little bit further for you, and there was 7 transactions that were greater than $675,000. So between $675,000 and $1 million, there was 7 unit sales, which in units was 25% of that whole area, or of that percentage of that area, ended up being between $670,000 and $1 million. What are we seeing in that neighborhood? We're seeing a lot of people that are building, they're buying up lots. Lots are going for over $500,000 now in that area, knocking down the lots, using the houses, using those big lots to rebuild and make some larger homes for them, and a total area improvement. We're also seeing a lot of new condo apartment buildings that have gone up all along Plains Road and in the area, and as well as shopping that's going in there as well, with a lot of the businesses that are going there. So it's definitely a prime area for increase, and seems to be some good investments right now. Again, it was a 65% average increase, or average price increase, with the average home price being $805,000 as opposed to $487,000 last year. So some great numbers. Anyway, if you wanted to get a little bit more breakdown of your neighborhood, please feel free to give me a call. Contact numbers are at the bottom there, or email. Be happy to come out and do an evaluation for you and sit down and go through the process of what it takes to find something and make your move. Thanks again for watching, and please feel free to share this out to anybody you know that might be interested in the market here in Burlington. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.